Starting around 07 April 2024, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at $10.85 in term of its lowest rate, with a value change of 0.69% in very most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. Doge in a real sense has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $28 545 174 479 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2 162 49 421. This generally makes Dogecoin Doge kind of positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a significant way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin especially be by and large worth in 2024? Which in a real sense is very critical. Is Dogecoin a very wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Doge cost especially outperform its untouched high, or so they for the most part thought? These sort of are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost most certainly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $398. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to sort of be $326, showing how Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized investigation. In 2024, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of $398. The normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the all things considered current year ought to in a real sense be $326, which by and large is very huge. Besides, Doge can essentially arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $711 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is gauged to by and large be at around a very least worth of $730. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Dogecoin value worth can explicitly arrive at an extremely limit of $967 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $1012 in USD in a huge way. Doge value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Dogecoin truly is determined to sort of be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $1.78. So Doge for the most part has an in every way that really matters complete market cap of $28 545 174 479 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2 162 49 421 in an especially significant manner. The Dogecoin value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $243 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $969 in USD in a kind of significant way. Doge value gauge June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to especially arrive at an extremely least value worth of $937, which all things considered is very critical. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a very greatest cost of $1.22 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $28, exhibiting how Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost fundamentally is supposed to explicitly cross a truly normal value level of $2098. The normal certainly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to especially be $2326, showing how Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost by and large is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $398. The normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to essentially be $326 in a for the most part huge manner. Dogecoin Doge value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $2089, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $2023 and an exceptionally least of $2016. Or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin value expectation August 2024. Dogecoin cost especially is supposed to generally reach between $258 to $287 in August 2024, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of Doge for the August explicitly remains around $1.131 Dogecoin value conjecture September 2024 the essentially normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could go to $1.12 to 16 toward the finish of September 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Doge could in every practical sense be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $1.3093 with the truly least expected cost of $1.2025, or so they by and large thought. Dogecoin Doge value figure October 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for October 2024 may especially arrive at a kind of least worth of $1.70, while the truly greatest determined cost truly is around $1.504, which really is very huge. The typical cost for Doge certainly is for the most part anticipated to truly reach $1.261 in October 2024, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is supposed to sort of be at around a kind of least of $1.2037 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin cost can really arrive at a limit of $1.594 with a by and large normal cost of $1.328 in USD, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value estimate December 2024 the normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could sort of go to $1.2098 toward the finish of December 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge could in every practical sense be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $711 with the essentially least expected cost of $326 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost really has shown a very decent increment of 9.58% as of now in an extremely huge manner. Dogecoin truly is confronting an in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The Doge generally is down to nearly 386% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Doge basically has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $28,545,174,479 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,162,949,421 in an essentially enormous manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for essentially past, certainly couple of days. The coin could fundamentally have areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't especially believe that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Dogecoin cost can generally arrive at a limit of $1.5094 with a genuinely normal cost of $1.3028 in a really significant way. Dogecoin value figure 2024 facts. What will especially be Dogecoin essentially worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Doge value sort of is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree